Hello everybody, welcome back to All Things Shazzy. In this video I am going to be showing you how I made these candied pickles. Right, so hopping into it, I am using some pickle chips. I chose dill. You can use the butter, I forgot what they call it, the sweeter pickles. And then I have some Jello. I am using strawberry, and then I'm going to use some leftover pineapple Jello I have, and also a little bit of the green apple. So I have the tongs here as well, my little candy tongs by Wilson. And then I have this tray to put everything in, and I have a plastic bag that I already showed as well that I'm going to use to add the Jello. Alright, so starting with the strawberry Jello, you just dump it all into the bag. I like to fold my bag down because it makes it easier for everything to be accessible to me. So adding the pickle chips. Now we are going to leave these pickles wet. You can drain the pickles, like pour the whole jar into a strainer and drain the pickles so that they are not so wet, but we like ours juicy. So I'm just going to get them and just shake them off a little bit and add them to the bag of Jello powder. Okay, so once they have all been added to the bag, you're going to go ahead, and I like to unfold at this point to make the bag as large as I can, and you just shake them around. Just shake, shake, shake. I move just to make sure that they are all covered. And once they are all covered, you would dump into whatever pan or tray that you have to put them in and let those chill. Now, these you can't eat right away because, of course, with the pickles being so wet, they don't harden unless you freeze them. So you can freeze them, and I can say they are absolutely good frozen. If you ever ate frozen grapes, they are the bomb. So that's how the pickles would be. So this is the pineapple one, and only had like a quarter of a box left. So I just mixed it with the rest of the strawberry Jello that I had left, and went ahead and did the same thing that I did to the strawberry ones. And now I'm going to use a completely different bag for the green apple ones. And this is how they look so far, and they are looking and smelling so good. If you ever had pickles and Kool-Aid as a kid, but the sour Kool-Aid with the dill pickle, this is like a sweeter version but with the better taste. Alright, so adding all of my green apple Jello to the bag, I am just going to use the same process that I did before. And voila, here is my finished product. So we have the green apple, the strawberry pineapple, and then just the strawberry. These are, again, so delicious. I just put them in a little bowl and everybody can just grab some and eat some. Y'all, they are so good. Definitely try them. Share this video, leave a comment below, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. I will see y'all next time. Bye.